Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another live HyperFX trading session. Now, before I get started, please note and read the disclaimer that you saw on your screen just now. So I'm going to take you through my trades for today. Now, we use a modified version of this indicator that you're seeing on your screen in our course. However, the one you're looking at simply takes all of the reversal candles. So basically, this means that it'll catch all tops and bottoms. So the reason I'm using this indicator is to show you that any indicator paired with proper money management and, more importantly, combined with the HyperFX scaling algorithm can help you trade profitably. So it's not just about the indicators, it's about money management and keeping your losses very tight. Excuse me there. So let's talk a little bit about scaling. What is scaling? So part of the course and the HyperFX system is that our system allows you to scale your trade in. So this is a very powerful concept and can offset risk and allows for a lower win percentage. So what does this mean? Basically what that means is that your entries can be correct 20 to 30% of the time, but since you're making those wins count by compounding them, you'll still come out with a profitable day. So what does that exactly mean? Now, in my previous videos, you've seen that how adding to a winning position compounds that win and makes up for smaller losses. So the same exact concept applies to scaling in that we start off by creating a very small position or order size, and if that trade is going in our favor, we simply add to that position. However, if you take a loss on your next setup, you can increase the order size slightly so that this new trade, if profitable, make up for the previous loss and still allow you to bank a very small profit. So it's a win-win either way. So the key is order sizing and the amount you add to a winning trade. This is a very complex algorithm, and we have tools that are included in our course that take the guesswork out of scaling in. So I'm giving you very basic examples, which you see on your screens today, of some of the trades I took using this scaling technique. So we took trades later on during the day that still made it a profitable day, but during my recording sessions, we were pretty much break even. So as you can see on your screen, this was probably the third trade I took. And the previous trade, of course, I took a loss on about $25, $20 or $30, and then this trade was again a very profitable trade, and I was able to take this about $30 on this particular trade. So as I've mentioned, my typical trading day starts in the morning around 7 o'clock. I trade the US Open session. Now you as a trader have the option of trading whichever session you'd like. There's the Asian session and there's the London session. So for me, this works best for me, and I really enjoy it. So this is something that I've been doing since I've been trading. Keep an eye on the trades that you're seeing on your screen. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the course that's coming up at the end of October. So basically the course will be fully web-based. It will be fully posted on the site, so you'll be able to log into the website with your own unique username and password after you've purchased, of course, the course, which is again $2,500 US. And you'll be able to learn the course. It takes you through the basics of Forex, basically talks about the system and how it works, the different indicators that we use, the scaling technique, like I've mentioned earlier, is, this is just some of the things that it will be included. There's, of course, a lot more. So that will be available end of October. There you go, guys. On back to your screen, 27.71. That was, I closed that trade, and that was the pound dollar. This is the USD CAD. This was a fantastic trade. Again, I took $49 on that trade using the same scaling technique that I've been talking about. This was a very clean trade, the USD CAD that you just saw. Now this is again USD CAD, my second trade for the day, and then we're going to see how that pans out. So far at this point, I was up about 0.25% for the day up to now. And then just keep an eye on it, and I'll walk you through the rest of the day. So getting back to the course, we're getting a lot of requests. Please, we're going to have a pre-registration link available to you very shortly. So keep watching the videos, and we appreciate your comments, and please like and subscribe to us, obviously, and stay in touch with that. Also, our programmer will be uploading more videos talking about back testing. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go back. I believe it was last week sometime. Go back and take a look at that, because it's very, very powerful. It just shows you some of the things that we have put together, and how complex this system really is. For me, trading this, it is, of course, the platform itself is very simple, but there's a lot, that many years, I would say, that have gone into developing this system, and also the confidence that we have offering that system to you, and also trading it ourselves for many years, and making it such a huge success as it is. There's the trade, guys. Back to the trade. So it was almost up 20 bucks. Now at this point, my goal was to take about another $30 to $40. So I'm kind of waiting for that the target to hit, and pulling those profits out. So my typical day, like I said, starts at 7. So my goal for the day is about 2 to 3% of profits. That's what my aim is. However, like I've said before, not every single day you're going to have a winning day. Sometimes you'll have a few losing days. The key here is, again, the money management, and not making the trade personal, and getting your emotions involved. That's something that we teach you very firmly in the course, of course, how to get a handle on that. And the biggest thing is, I guess, with the system is that we've taken a lot of the guesswork out, so that your emotions and what you think you should be doing, a lot of that is kind of pre-programmed into the robot. So it's taken out that way. It makes trading a lot more, you're calmer, and that's how you want to be. You want to trade with an open mind, and just calm, and just know exactly what you should be doing and what you should be doing. Back to the trade, guys. So this was a losing trade. I did take a loss on this trade. So pretty much at this point, I was at break even. But I did trade later on during the day, which made it a profitable day. I will be back, guys, tomorrow. Until then, you guys have a fantastic day.